Today we would be making atta noodles. If you are a new visitor here, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit the bell notification for regular updates. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for visiting us again. Today we will be preparing atta noodles using the Indian spices. Let's go to my kitchen to see the making of atta noodles. In a basin we put about 1 cup of water. In goes about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let's mix the oil properly with the atta. Onto this we will be adding water little by little and keep on kneading it till we make a dough out of it. We want our dough to be of a thick consistency, so we will use minimal water to make this dough. If the dough has more of water content, there are chances that the atta noodles will break when we are cooking it in water. We'll knead it properly. Our dough is completely ready now. We'll transfer this into a copper kitchen press. We'll take some more atta and sprinkle it on a clean kitchen counter like this. Now we'll take the kitchen press with the dough in it and move it in a circular fashion like this. We'll have the raw noodles coming out like this. We should keep on sprinkling atta powder on top of it so that the raw noodles do not stick with each other. This length should be enough for our first set of atta noodles. Using this kitchen press, we'll again squeeze out the raw atta noodles. Let's not forget to sprinkle atta powder on top of it. We don't want the noodles to stick with each other. Our second set of raw atta noodles is ready again. Now we'll separate it from the kitchen press. Sprinkle some more atta powder on top of it. Now there is very less dough remaining in the kitchen press. We'll take the raw noodles from that too. We'll take some water in a pan and allow the water to boil. Once the water boils, we'll add the raw atta noodles into this. We'll allow the raw atta noodles to cook in hot boiling water for about 5 minutes. Keep on stirring this in between. Yes, our atta noodles has got cooked properly. Now we'll drain out the extra water. Now onto a hot pan we'll add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And once the oil is hot, we'll add some garlic cloves to that. And as the garlic turns golden brown, we'll add 1 chopped onion to that. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt to this. We have to keep on stirring the content regularly. Time to add tomatoes. I have made use of 2 chopped tomatoes. We'll be closing this with a lid now. And we'll cook the ingredients till the tomatoes turn mushy. Our tomatoes are almost ready now. Onto this we add 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. We'll give it a good stir. Now we'll add the cooked atta noodles into this. Let's mix the content properly now. I also added some chili sauce to this. I don't have the footage of that. So we completely prepared the atta noodles with the Indian spices. I already tasted this and it tastes really good. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe it and to hit the bell notification. Please do try it at home and let us know how you liked it.